how to play a 1-octave G major scale on the cello. We're going to start out with our open G string, and we're going to play the finger pattern that uses the first finger, third finger, and fourth finger on both the G string and the D string. So we play G, first finger A, third finger B, fourth finger C, and make sure that you're really leaning into that fourth finger so that it can get a really firm contact with the string. Your fourth finger sometimes is a little bit weak when you start out, so if you're not getting good pitch on it, it might not be that your finger's in the wrong spot, it might be that it is not pushing hard enough. So again, we played first open 1, 3, 4. Now D string, first finger, third finger is F sharp, and then G. Going down G, F sharp, E, D, open. Now fourth finger C, B, A, and then G. Good. Let's try playing it with a beat. Let's do 4 beats on each note. 1, 2,